Hello student, first time I'm coming with the class 12th material for the board examination 2023. In this video, we will discuss about chemical distinguish in the organic chemistry. Whatever question is asking in the board examination, this is the 3 marks. If you are going to study with me, so today in this session, you will get a 3 marks full in the board examination. This is a fixed 3 marks question according to the pattern of the CBSE board. In this one, today we will discuss about the topic aldehyde and ketone and how to distinguish aldehyde ketones. Okay. In this one, first, I will discuss about tolerance test. First, I will discuss about the tolerance test. Second one is Fehling test. Fehling test. Third one is iodoform test. Iodoform test. If you know these 3 tests, then you can do the NCERT question number 12.13. Come to the question 12.13. How? Before I'm going to solve these 3 questions, I'm telling you what is these 3 tests. First thing, whenever we are discussing about the oxidation reaction of aldehyde and ketone, generally for the oxidation of aldehyde, in your mind, coming directly to reaction, generally one is a tolerance and another is Fehling. One is tolerance test and second one is Fehling test. Fehling test. And the student know the how to write, but they don't know what is the actual reagent, how to write in the examination. Examination, you no need to write all the thing, how you are going to prepare the tolerance reagent, how to you are prepare the Fehling reagent. In this one, you don't remember, so what is the tolerance reagent? Please be remember AgNH3 whole twice and it carrying a positive charge. This is the tolerance reagent. And whenever we are going about to discuss Fehling, so this is the Cu2 positive ion, copper ion. And it's present in the basic medium, this one also, and this one also plus in the basic medium. Whenever you are going to write the tolerance reagent and the Fehling test, so these two will react with the aldehyde or a ketone. And second thing you need to remember, the tolerance one is a stronger in comparison. Whenever we discuss about the comparison tolerance and Fehling, this is a stronger, this is a weak. Why I am saying this is a strong, this is a weak? If I am taking an example aromatic, this question you can solve easily. If I am taking an example of aromatic, this can react with aromatic aldehyde also. It can reduce the aromatic aldehyde, CHO. If we am taking benzaldehyde and I am taking here also benzaldehyde, CHO. But this one Fehling test will not change anything, but this will change. Clear? First thing, main here, the reagent. What is the reagent? Main thing this is the main point. And second one is which one is a stronger? Stronger is a tolerance reagent and Fehling test is a weaker. Now come to the next point, how to write the reaction. If any of the aldehyde, I'm just taking RC double bond OH. This is any aldehyde, react with tolerance. Tolerance is AgNH3 whole twice, this carrying a positive charge, and it will gives RC double bond O. Remove the hydrogen and put at the place of the hydrogen O negative. Plus these whatever you have seen here, put different. The Ag will reduce in the form of the silver. And second thing, ammonia will reduce NH3. And third thing, you remove to water. This is the reaction for the tolerance. This is the tolerance reagent. If you are going to write for the Fehling test, aldehyde you take, tolerance, and this reaction in the presence of base, okay, and Cu2 positive plus OH negative. Again, this one again same product, RC double bond O, replace the hydrogen and put here oxygen with a negative charge, plus Cu change to Cu2 positive, Cu2O. And this is a red brown color. And third one, plus here again H2O will form. These are the carboxylate ion in these reactions. Third one question is coming directly. One question I'm writing. How can you write the distinguish between benzaldehyde? This is a benzaldehyde, C double bond OH, and another one is formaldehyde, C double bond. So this is the aromatic. This is aromatic and this is aliphatic. And I already discussed in the tolerance is the strong which can reduce aromatic as well as aliphatic. But failing one, the failing test will reduce only aliphatic. So we need to distinguish to in the both the substance aliphatic as well as benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. This is the formaldehyde and this one is benzaldehyde. In the both the solution you add failing test. You will write here failing also. And second thing, you will write the reagent also, Cu2 positive plus OH negative in this one, failing test, okay, and reagent also, Cu2 positive and plus OH negative. And now you convert it, whatever I told you. This one react, no reaction, because this is the aromatic, no reaction. And this one will be changed into HC double bond O, O negative plus Cu2O plus H2O. And you will write here red brown PPT, red brown PPT. Come to the next one. Next, if we are discussing about the iodoform test, iodoform test. This test is also important, very important. In this one, what you need to learn, first thing, the compound contain CH3C double bond O, generally group, CH3C double bond O group will give iodoform test. Iodoform test. For example, if I'm writing HC double bond O H, it will give iodoform test? No. If I'm writing HCH3C double bond OH, it will give iodoform test? Yes, because it contain, because this group is contained, this compound is a CH3C double bond. If I'm writing CH3 CH2 C double bond OH, so it will give? No, this will not give the iodoform test. If I'm writing CH3 C double bond O CH3, yes, it will give a iodoform test, because on one side the CH3 C double bond group is present, it will give the iodoform test. If I'm writing like that, benzene C double bond O CH3, and what is the name of the compound? Acetophenone. Please be remember, acetophenone. It will give a iodoform test. Yes, it will give, because it contains a CH3C double. So whenever you are getting CH3C double bond O group, it means they will give iodoform test. Clear? Nothing, either you can't say the aldehyde or a ketone. Now, what is the iodoform test? If I'm writing CH3, what you need to write? C double bond OH. I'm writing the simple one plus I2. First, it react with the iodine. So what you need to do? First, at the place of the alpha position, all the hydrogen, CH3, all the hydrogen you remove by the I. So you will write CI3 and C double bond O and then H. Second thing, again, you add in this one, NaOH, NaOH. So this NaOH, what will happen? See, this H hydrogen will add with this. So it will form CHI3 plus the remaining C double bond O will be saved, and this ONA will add with this ON. So this is the iodoform and yellow color, yellow iodoform. If I'm writing another example, just one more. If CH3 C double bond O CH3, CH3 C double bond O CH3, if in the place of the NaOH, I2 plus NaOH, directly written in the notebook NaOI, this is also an heat sign. This is also a iodoform test. This is also a iodoform test. What you will do directly at any one side, C double bond O CS3, you remove this one. What I am saying, you remove one bond. Okay, C double bond O CS3, remove this one, and remaining side you write same CS3, C double bond O. Write the same and write this one ONA this side. ONA. So sodium acetate and plus all the hydrogen you remove and put CH I3. Iodoform formula you need to remember. And this is again yellow. So either it is written in the form of I2 plus NaOH, or either it is written in the form of the NaOI. So these both are the iodoform test. Now come to the NCERT question. Just you see this one. Question number NCERT 12.13. So just taking this one, 1 minute. Question number first. Give the simple chemical test, distinguish between following the pair, propanol and propanone. Example I am taking propanol and propanone. Propanol and propanone. So propanol example is, propanol means propane 3 carbon, al means aldehyde group. So CS3, CH2, C double bond OH. And propanone means CS3 ketone, CS3 C double bond O CS3. So now how you will distinguish? What I told you, if the C double bond O CS3 bond is present, so it will give the iodoform, but it will not give because it is not having a CS3. So simply you write iodoform test, and write here NaOI and heat, and write no reaction. But it will give NaOI plus and heat. And what I told you, how to write the product, this one you remain same. This part will remain same. CS3, C double bond O, and this one part will join with ONA. And iodoform formula, you know that CHI3. This is the iodoform. This is the reaction. Second question is, see, acetophenone and benzophenone. Simple one. Again, acetophenone and the benzophenone. Acetophenone and another one is benzophenone. If you know remember the formula, then only can you write the distinguish. Otherwise, student is struggling to write the formula. Whatever they know, that is another thing. So C double bond O CS3, this is the acetophenone, and this is the benzophenone. Is the benzene to benzene between the one C double bond O group. This is benzophenone. Now, what you understand here? Both are the keto group, but this first one compound containing C double bond O CS3. So this will give the iodoform test, but this will not. So you write NaOI and heat, and in this one also NaOI and heat. So what I told you, CS3, this one C double bond O, this bond will break, and this CS3 will convert into CHI3 part, and the remaining part, this benzene will join with C double bond O and this ONA plus. So no reaction. In this one, no reaction. So you can write anything. So please do it better. Next one is phenol and benzoic acid. I will tell you how to do. And next one, you take pentane 2,1 and pentane 3,1. Okay. And benzaldehyde and acetophenone we have done. Benzaldehyde and acetophenone, ethanol and propanol also. If I'm saying ethanol and propanol, you can distinguish it easily. Iodoform. Okay. And practice is today. And in the next class, we will discuss about the distinguish of the amines, different kind of amines. Thank you for watching.